ngasi akhoi December January ni ko January ki tang taruk sida akhoi CGM da akhoi na complaint case am thajare thaiba case na akhoi gi Jakarado da thokhiba thokdo ni angang hum yauraga nupi ahum tamchina halaba matungda barak turenda dokpiram labagi matang duda akhoi gi Paunilan Hokip Saitu Assembly constituency ki Paunilan Hokip na mana the where had it cano do the online news channel do the mahana cano revenge ni hybrid matanga no alaga de 21 the newspaper the from the Europe to the Makatana when a police report on to the report FIS and you have to wear the Badagi object CGM Nakana case Hazare Haraga Hozik report Nabagi the Makta order and a tokani order to follow under report open report tawbagi order do piru na matunda mogi kari site kari lake mogi finding le regi habdo akoi makata na mogi minasi makata wa finding leiram dragadi akoina hairi ba kogi KSC ki matang da akoina thari ba investigation to view affairs and view ngasi thari ba case akoi ki site gi monitoram dragana court ki site gi tawno ba koi hosi kanna sigi state to sanction lakani
petition thari ba ngai
petition thari ba sina akoi gi una kano gi uripo apun buluk ki President oiba akoigi retired army officer akoi Pabung Saram Tiken na tauraga maha ki makhada maha petitioner oiraga haiba complaint se thabani. Thank you.